Right here. Now you're recording.
Okay.
All right?
Mm-hmm. Oh my God. It's not dead. I don't believe it. How could it? Mm-mm. And how could that still be alive?
Yeah. That's how it is, man. How animals are.
And I hate hurting it. Is that what smells? The snake?
Mm-hmm.
I hate hurting an animal, but I'm upset about the birds. That's what's in it. Oh, it's gonna be gross. I'm gonna throw up. But don't squirt out.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh my God. It's disgusting. I'm gonna throw up. It doesn't look like it. It looks like something with worms. Watch yourself, because there's a worm or something.
There goes a bird right here.
Yeah, but it looked like it was dead already.
No. See it?
Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
See it?
Yep.
Yeah, he ate it.
Oh my God. That thing is still alive. That snake. Yeah, he ate it. Oh my God.
Look at the bird right here.
Oh
See it?
God. It's so big!
No. No. There goes the bird.
Oh my
There goes the bird. You filming?
God. Yeah.
There goes the bird.
Oh my God. Look, there's all his food.
The head's in here. See it?
Yeah. Look, there's a thing on his ankle.
Yeah, that's the ring I told you. This was the...
But how did he get one that big? That's not
Look.
a baby.
Look how big I told you it was as big as the other ones. You didn't want to believe me.
That snake
Watch
is
it. Get away
still
from there.
alive.
Get away from there.
Why?
Of course, man. You don't know what animals do. You don't know this is crazy.
Look at this thing still alive. All cut open. I'm gonna shut it off, alright?
Yeah.